At FX Luminaire, we're dedicated to helping lighting professionals solve complex installation challenges from the ground up. That's why we provide a comprehensive family of LED lamps of the highest quality to meet diverse lighting needs. Our lamps offer a wide range of choices for maximum lighting design flexibility, including multiple outputs, beam angles, and color temperatures. All FX Luminaire lamps are specially engineered to be the most efficient and longest-lasting solutions on the market. FX Luminaire MR16 LED and G4 LED lamps are highly efficient and robust LED lamps. Their low VA allows you to include more lamps per job without adding additional transformers. The fully potted design of the MR16 LED lamp effectively protects against water intrusion and exposure to the elements. Standard FX Luminaire MR16 LED lamps provide the most design flexibility. The lamps are available in 3 outputs: 4 watts, 5 watts, and 6 watts, 3 beam angles, 10 degree, very narrow, 35 degree, flood, and 60 degree, wide flood, and 3 color temperatures: warm, 2700 Kelvin, soft, 3000 Kelvin, and cool, 3900 Kelvin. When used with the industry-leading Luxor controller from FX Luminaire, MR16 ZD lamps can dim fixtures in 1% increments from 0% to 100%. With this capability, the lamps are available in 2 outputs, 5 watts and 6 watts, 3 beam angles, 10 degree, very narrow, 35 degree flood, and 60 degree wide flood, and 3 color temperatures: warm, 2700 Kelvin, soft, 3000 Kelvin, and cool, 3900 Kelvin. Both standard MR16 and MR16 ZD lamps are designed with a coated zinc housing using electrophoresis to provide highly effective thermal protection. In addition, the top and bottom portions of the lamp are fully potted with silicone-based design elements for maximum longevity in the field. The acrylic optic is designed specifically for the lamp's industry-leading LEDs to ensure perfectly accurate beam angles in every installation. The MR16 Eco lamp family provides a simple selection for projects of limited scope and budget. They are available in 2 outputs, 4 watts and 6 watts, 2 beam angles, 35 degree and 60 degree wide flood, and 1 color temperature: warm, 2700 Kelvin. The versatile MR11 Eco lamp offers reliable performance in a small package. Featuring a 2-watt output and a 35-degree beam angle for ample illumination, it's ideal for low-output applications. The powerful PAR 36 Eco lamp is perfect for applications that require a high output, delivering up to 860 lumens. It's available in 2 intensities: 6 watts and 10 watts, 2 beam angles, 35 degree flood and 60 degree wide flood, and 2 color temperatures: warm, 2700 Kelvin, and soft, 3000 Kelvin. FX Luminaire Eco lamps, including the MR16, MR11, and PAR 36 Eco families, are designed with sturdy, lightweight aluminum housings. Each lamp has a snap ring design to prevent the optic from moving or falling out. Perfect for retrofitting, G4 LED lamps are available in 3 outputs: 1 watt, 1.6 watts, and 2.4 watts, and 2 color temperatures: warm, 2700 Kelvin, and soft, 3000 Kelvin. Every G4 LED lamp is encapsulated with clear silicone. This provides a unique, protective design that ensures the lamps produce an accurate color temperature. FX Luminaire provides a complete line of efficient and robust LED lamps of the highest quality in a wide range of options to ensure you have the right lamp for any lighting design, regardless of scope or budget. Learn more at fxl.com.